everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the Indian form of sun and his uses and the reason behind it. I'll also say some interesting facts which you all probably don't know. So let's deeply investigate this topic, and to do that we have to get into our channel. Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and welcome back to our channel. Now, I am going to tell you all some basic and important knowledge about the sun. The sun is 13 lakh times bigger than Earth. 13 lakh Earths can fit in our sun. The diameter of the Earth is 8,000 miles, but the diameter of sun is 8,64,000 miles. It takes 25 days for the sun to rotate around itself. In the center of the sun, it is 1 crore 40 lakh centigrade. At this point of temperature, any kind of solid or liquid becomes ashes. Now, let's talk about the Indian form of sun. Now, let me also say what ancient scripts like Upavedas, Vedas, etc. say about the sun. First, take a look at the design of the Lord Surya. He travels with 7 horses. In Sanskrit, it is said as Ashwam. In a sense, the one which travels fast. We can say that as the rays of sun. And the 7 Ashwams are the 7 main colors which can also be noticed in a rainbow. There are so many ancient Indian scripts which talk about the sun and the rest of the solar system, like Aryabhatyam, Siddhanta Siromani, Surya Siddhantam. Now, I'll tell you how to get maximum benefits with sun. If you notice the names of Surya in Vedas, then you get to know that maximum information behind the reason of keeping the particular name is hidden in the name itself. Some of the names and also the important names of sun are: Number 1. Sahasrabhanu. You can differentiate 1,000 sub-rays from the 7 main rays. 400 rays contribute in rain. 300 rays contribute in producing heat. And the remaining 300 rays help in generating snow. Number 2. Pusha. The one who gives nutritions. Lord Surya gives nutritions to everyone using his rays. After sunrise till noon, it is the time of Pusha. Number 3. Mitra. He will do good to all living beings as well as the nature. He is a good friend to us at the time of sunrise and sunset. Now, let's talk about the sun's dark spots. Due to the radiation from the sun's core, some granules occur on the surface of the sun. These spots are called as the sunspots. These sunspots are not constant. They always move from place to place. This was mentioned in our Vedas, calling them as Sarpa, which doesn't mean snakes, but it means the moving ones. Sunlight is less where the sunspots occur. Our rishis have given the solution for this problem, and the solution is Agnihotram. The elements which we use in Agnihotram, like cow ghee, cow milk, cow dung, etc., burn together and remove the pollution. They travel in space till the sun and reduce the sunspots. To get maximum benefits from sun, please try to do Agnihotra. It is a very simple process and anyone can do it. If it is not possible, at least Come out and expose your body to sunlight at the time of sunrise and sunset. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications so that you can see our videos the first. Thanks for watching.